guys, welcome back to our channel Zero to Infinity. So in this video I will tell you about how to fix fetch rewards account suspended problem. So many of users facing this problem of account suspended in fetch rewards. So the reason behind this is that inactivity. So how to fix this problem? Because many of users facing, they do not do any wrong thing and rather their account is banned. So there is a reason of it is that there is no receipt submission and reward redemption. So that's case the account ban. So how to fix this problem, I will tell you in very two easy steps. First of all, you need to contact their team. So fetch support team you need to contact. So support at the rate fetchrewards.com. You need to send an email, and in subject section you need to tell your problem, and after that in compose email you need to give your information about your account in which your account is banned. You tell about that and tell them that to fix this problem. And after you send this mail, please wait for minimum 48 hours, and in 48 hours they will send you a mail and your problem will be solved. Thank you guys, keep supporting our channel.